Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a fascinating piece of technology, the high-definition 2.5-inch FPV quadcopter drone. This isn't just another drone. It's engineered to really push the boundaries of what a compact FPV quad can do, aiming to elevate both aerial photography and the FPV racing experience. It presents itself as a unique blend of style, performance, and durability in a small package. One of the standout features of this drone is its video transmission and stabilization capabilities. It comes equipped with state-of-the-art 0.3 video transmission, promising crystal clear visuals, which is crucial for immersive FPV flying and capturing high-quality footage. The camera itself is an 0.3 unit, and what's particularly clever is how it's mounted. It sits independently on a shock-absorbing gimbal, utilizing a camera-damping ball system. This advanced anti-shake technology is designed specifically to eliminate IMU resonance problems, a common issue that can degrade video quality. The result is footage that is remarkably stable and clear, whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes or fast-paced action sequences. Under the hood, this drone is powered by a highly efficient Taker G435 AIO flight system paired with potent 14.0 4500 kV motors. This combination provides the necessary power and responsiveness for agile flight while maintaining efficiency. Despite its compact and lightweight design, which is noted to meet FAA standards, it doesn't compromise on stability or power, making it feel capable in the air. Adding to its capabilities is the integrated GPS system. This feature allows for precision navigation and boasts rapid satellite acquisition, which is a significant plus for features like return to home or simply knowing your location accurately during flight. The drone's physical dimensions are quite compact, listed at 4.5 by 2.5 by 4.5 inches, reinforcing its portability and ability to fly in tighter spaces. Constructed primarily from plastic and finished in black, the drone includes the camera as part of the package. It's positioned as a top choice for both recreational pilots looking for high-quality video and performance in a small size, and potentially for professional users needing a compact, stable aerial platform. It truly aims to be an experience, ready to take its pilot on an unforgettable aerial journey with its blend of advanced features and thoughtful design.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.